The G-Wagon has always looked like it could survive a war, but this one looks like it started one. Would you rock a wide-body G63 like this, or keep it stock and understated? This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno, and by the time we're done, you'll understand why tuning fans are calling it the most extreme G-Class ever built. Let's start with what you're actually looking at. This isn't a factory Mercedes trim, it's a full transformation by TopCar Design, the same shop known for turning already aggressive SUVs into rolling sculptures. And here's the twist. It's the first time in the model's history that the entire body has been wrapped in exposed carbon fiber, not painted over composite, real visible weave everywhere you look. Picture the stock G63's boxy silhouette. Now imagine it's stretched wider, dropped lower, and armored in matte black carbon from the vertical front grille to the rear diffuser. The hood sits taller, with new air ducts feeding a more aggressive stance. Inside the hood, there's even a camo-patterned carbon Kevlar layer most owners will never see. But that's the level of obsession we're talking about. Up front, gill-style vents slice through the bumper. Out back, a carbon diffuser and reworked bumper inserts finish the look. Optional forged wheels up to 23 inches, wrapped in the brand's Inferno-style design, fill out those massive fender flares. But that's not even the best part, because underneath all that carbon, this is still a genuine AMG G63. That means a handcrafted 4.0-liter biturbo V8 boosted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system, sending out 577 horsepower and 527 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic and full-time 4-wheel drive with 3 locking differentials, this thing hits 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds. Think about that for a second. A 5,800-pound off-road icon keeping pace with proper sports cars. Here's where it gets interesting on the inside. You're still getting the traditional G-Class habit, think supple leather, real metal switchgear, and Mercedes MBUX infotainment system. But TopCar layers in its own carbon-trimmed dashboard panels, door cards, and seat inserts, so the drama continues once you're behind the wheel. It looks intimidating from outside, but it drives with surprising composure thanks to that ladder-frame chassis built in Graz, Austria, and decades of chassis refinement. Practicality? It's still a proper SUV. 3 locking diffs, real ground clearance, and enough presence to handle both a school run and a mountain trail. Safety tech carries over from the standard G63 too, including adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warnings. Now pricing? A stock G63 starts around $195,000 before options. Add TopCar's basic Inferno carbon kit, and you're looking at another 33,000 euros, closer to 62,000 euros for the full visible carbon package before wheels or interior work. So here's the real question. Would you spend that kind of money on a wide-body G63 like this, or would you rather put that budget towards a Range Rover SV or a Lamborghini Urus? Drop your pick in the comments. This is the G-Class turned up to its absolute limit. And honestly, we're not sure Mercedes could build it any louder themselves. Stick around because the next car we're covering might be even harder to believe.